It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Oh my goodness, I had to put my Santa hat on for this one. I got the Give Love box in the mail today. I got fan Christmas presents from Angel. I gotta show you this. Hi, Angel. I got some Christmas cards. I got coupons. And, the Kringle candle sale this morning. I honestly feel like today was like the most like happy Christmas day. Yeah, just so, oh my gosh, we have so much to talk about. Grab some hot chocolate. I got to keep my Santa hat on because my hair is all weird underneath. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to unbox for you the Bath and Body Works Give Love box. The box is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. But first, I got to talk about fan mail. So we're doing the Christmas card exchange. My Zazzle cards are coming today. They're super cute. I can't wait to show you guys. I got a Christmas card today. I got a couple cards today. I got one from Alicia. I love these old-timey Christmas cards. Thinking of you at Christmas. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Alicia. I am reading everything in each Christmas card. Everyone's writing such sweet stuff. And I also got a Christmas wish card from Whitney. I love this little guy. How cute. You guys know how much I love furry critters. Thank you so much for the Christmas cards. And then, oh my gosh, there's a box in my P.O. box from Charmed Aroma. I almost fell over. Thank you so much, Angel. Look what she sent me. It is the Christmas gnome with the little star in his hat. How adorable is this? You guys know how much I love gnomes. If you have not checked out Angel's YouTube channel, you need to head over there. I want to get her over 100 subscribers. She has 88 subscribers less right now. Let's get her up over 100 today. She does all kinds of cool unboxing. She does geek gear, wizardry, Harry Potter. Her and I both share a very strong love for everything Harry Potter, and we both love Charmed Aroma. Also in the box, she sent me one of the moon bath bombs, and then she sent me this little gift bath bomb. Now, if you're new to Charmed Aroma, there's jewelry inside of each of these things. One of the last things that I did, a candle, or I think it's just the bath bomb. I got a ring. So if you want to check out Charmed Aroma, they got lots of neat Christmas gifts going on right now. I'm going to keep my ring on. It's pretty. Seriously good stuff. I cannot wait to see what jewelry I got in my little gnome here. And then she also sent me a really cute note with my favorite house emblem on there. And then I got a Hogwarts 3D Christmas card. Oh my gosh. So thank you so much, Angel. Definitely go and check out her YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. Okay, Bath and Body Works. I got a lot to talk about Bath and Body Works today. First up, this is so funny, you guys. So coupons. There are new coupons floating around that look like this. And inside, there is a free gift, $13.50 value, 10 off 40, and then an $8 Vanilla Bean Noel or Winter Candy Apple. Now, the funny thing is, my husband got one, and my mom got one. I didn't get one. I'm like, oh my gosh. Now, how funny is that? Everyone always asks about coupons. How do you get coupons? I just thought it was really funny that my husband and my mother both got one, but I didn't. There goes Coco, you guys. And on the back of the coupon, check it out. They are promoting the box that I'm going to show you right now. The video and go get Coco. She's parking out the front window. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? The Give Love box. Now, first of all, I gotta say that the Bath and Body Works box this year is absolutely stunning. This would make an amazing Christmas gift for anyone. I have a feeling whoever gets this box and they see it is just going to be like, wow, it's a beautiful red color. It's got a bow on it. I'm actually tempted to buy a second one as beautiful as this is. So they are, like I said, promoting the box on the back of the coupon. So in order to get this box, they had a deal. When was that? Was that Monday or Tuesday? Online for app users, you could get the box like one day only online. They just had it as a 1 day limited edition. and then they're going to release it again. This is actually the Black Friday box. So you get 9 gifts. The only thing is it's a purchase with purchase. So you have to spend $40 on anything in the store, and then the box is going to be an additional $40. I am hearing, however, that you should be able to use your coupons. So say if you have like, your total bill is like, say $100, and you spent your 40 and you get the box for 40, they should take 10 off that $100 and bring it down to 90. But it could vary by store or, you know, by associate. Try and use your coupon. I don't know for sure if they're going to work though, but I would try. So, Give Love box. I'm going to unbox this one. Can't wait to see what's in here. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. You open it up, and the first thing that you're going to see are the socks. These are wishing you a warm holiday. It's basically the cute little bear in the crown. So these socks are really warm and cozy. They're shea-infused lounge socks. They feel really nice. So that's on top. I like the way they pack this box. It's perfect for unwrapping. We also get the Pure Wonder in the shower gel. We get the Pure Wonder in the lotion. We get the Merry Cookie limited edition. This is a hand cream. It's just a different design. Oops, I dropped the cap. I'm back. If I didn't get that down, I'm like, I'll never get it. I'll just like forget about it and then go, where's the cap? Okay, we also got the limited edition design Merry Cookie pocket bag. It's funny because usually we get a pocket bag holder. This time we got the socks instead. We got the limited edition 'Tis the Season in the hand soap. This is one of my favorite scents, like for Christmas, like ever. Oh, that smells so good. So we got the hand soap, and then another Pure Wonder product. But you know what's interesting? Is it purple? I thought it was purple in the picture. This is really interesting, you guys. Where's the picture? I gotta go grab my other, oh yeah, here it is. Here it is. You guys look. It's purple. Isn't that really, really interesting? That they changed the color on the fine fragrance mist for the box. I wonder if that's so they can figure out if people are exchanging these like easily. You know what I mean? Like, say if you don't like the Pure Wonder and you bring it back to the store, maybe they're just trying to like document how many people like don't like the product and, you know, try and exchange it for something else. But it's purple. Okay, that's really interesting. It could have just been a limited edition color too. We also got the Merry Cookie in the single wick. Oh my gosh, it looks like cookie dough, by the way. This is really cute. I'm glad I got that. And then we got, oh my gosh, this is packed so well, you guys. I like a box that's easy to open. There's no like paper you gotta pull out 50 times, and I think I can repack it. So we also got the Perfect Christmas with this gorgeous red wax. Doesn't that look Christmassy? Smells so good. I've been hoping for a better, more Christmassy Perfect Christmas candle. This one is the fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, and toasted marshmallow. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. So now, say I want to gift this to someone, I just put the candle back in. There's a little piece of cardboard here. I put the candle on top. I put the soap in. I put the purple Pure Wonder in. I put the shower gel, the lotion, the 2 little tiny gifts, and the socks on top. And, oh my goodness, you guys, the box is perfectly packed and ready to go. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is. It's like a design thing with me, but I love a really nicely packed box that you can unpack and repack if you really wanted to. So anyway, do I think this box is worth it? I actually do. I think it's kind of unique this year. I like every one of the products that I got in the box. And I think the key on whether or not this box is worth it is if you're already going to be spending $40 in the store for Black Friday and you need a gift for someone, this could be the perfect $40 gift if that's like the budget of a gift that you're getting someone. I mean, I'm actually thinking of getting 2 more of these for 2 people on my list when I go Black Friday shopping this next week, because it's a good value. I really do think it's a good value, and I don't know, I'm super excited about the products inside. So I'm gonna go for a huge thumbs up. And when you see this box in person, I think you're gonna love it. It shipped fast, and it was perfect. Nothing was broken, so that's always good news. So anyway, whoo! Today was a fun day. Thank you again, Angel, for the beautiful gnome. Thank you, Whitney and Alicia, for the beautiful Christmas cards. And check your mailboxes for these coupons. Hopefully they will be coming out here. I had the Christmas card. My desk is a mess. Here's the 2 Christmas cards that I got today from Whitney and Alicia. Anyway, I don't know. Can this day get more exciting? I think it can, because I'll probably have a review video at some point, and then later tonight, I think the soap sale is coming. So as soon as I have all the details on the tomorrow, that's a wrap sale that's going to be going on in stores and online, I will have all the details. Anyway, let me know what you think of the box. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.